ancient maps that reveal secrets of the future. What if I told you that ancient maps, drawn thousands of years ago, may show lands that were officially discovered only recently? What if these maps don't just reveal the past, but hint at the future of humanity itself? Stay with me, because what you're about to hear will challenge everything you thought you knew about history. Throughout history, maps have been more than simple drawings of land and sea. They were symbols of power, tools of survival, and sometimes warnings. Ancient civilizations without satellites, GPS, or modern technology created maps that still confuse scientists today. Even more shocking, some of these maps appear to show knowledge far ahead of their time. One of the most mysterious examples is the Piri Reis map, created in 1513 by an Ottoman admiral. This map depicts parts of Europe, Africa, and South America with astonishing accuracy. But here's the real mystery. Some experts believe it also shows Antarctica, centuries before it was officially discovered, and without ice. How could an ancient mapmaker know what Antarctica looked like beneath the ice thousands of years ago? This leads us to an uncomfortable question. Did ancient civilizations inherit advanced knowledge from an even older, lost civilization? Ancient texts often mention a golden age of humanity, an era when humans possessed incredible understanding of astronomy, mathematics, and geography. Could ancient maps be surviving fragments of that forgotten world? Another fascinating map is the Orange-Fine map of 1531, which also depicts Antarctica as a massive continent with rivers and coastlines. Modern radar scans beneath Antarctic ice show similar land formations. Coincidence or ancient knowledge? These maps force us to reconsider time itself. What if history is not a straight line, but a cycle? Civilizations rise, fall, and leave behind clues for the future. The Babylonian world map, carved into clay around 600 BC, presents the Earth as a circular landmass surrounded by a cosmic ocean. While simple in appearance, it reflects deep philosophical about humanity's place in the universe. Some scholars believe it was less about geography and more about destiny, suggesting that ancient people believed the future was written into the structure of the world. Then there's the mysterious Chinese maps of the Qin dynasty, which show detailed river systems and terrain that modern explorers only verified centuries later. These maps suggest long-distance exploration far earlier than mainstream history accepts. Could ancient mapmakers see patterns in Earth's changes, rising seas, shifting lands, climate cycles, and record them as warnings for future generations? Some researchers believe that ancient maps were not only records of land, but predictive tools. By understanding Earth's cycles, ancient civilizations may have tried to communicate with the future, warning us about natural disasters, climate shifts, or even the collapse of civilization. The idea becomes even more chilling when we look at ancient flood myths found across cultures, from Mesopotamia to India to the Americas. Many ancient maps mark coastlines that don't match today's geography, but align perfectly with Earth before massive floods at the end of the last ice age. Are we repeating the same mistakes? Modern science is now discovering what ancient mapmakers may have already known, that Earth is constantly changing and humanity must adapt or fall. These ancient maps are not just artifacts, they are messages across time. They whisper a truth we are only beginning to understand. The future has already happened before. Perhaps the greatest secret hidden in ancient maps is not about land or oceans, but about us. They remind us that knowledge can be lost, civilizations can disappear, and history can be erased. The question is, will we learn from the past, or will we become another mystery for future generations to decode? Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe to our Global Mystery Nexus for more interesting and informative videos.